Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your iPhone model and iOS version so you know screen size and compatibility. Next, locate a high-resolution Hello Kitty image. You want crisp edges and proper aspect ratio. Once done, save that image to Photos or Files so it's instantly available. Make sure to name or organize it in albums if you plan multiple designs. This preparation prevents blurry crops later and speeds the process, so you're ready to set the wallpaper without interruptions. You'll edit the image first to fit your screen. Open Photos, tap Edit, then crop to the phone's aspect ratio and tweak brightness or saturation. Once adjusted, tap Share and choose Use as Wallpaper. This opens the wallpaper preview where you can position and scale. Choose Still for static or perspective to add depth. Make sure the subject stays clear behind icons. When you're satisfied, tap Set and decide Lock Screen, Home Screen, or both so the image appears exactly where you want it. You finish by setting the wallpaper and testing it. Lock and unlock to confirm alignment and readability with icons and widgets. If the image looks blurred or pixelated, don't upscale. Find a higher resolution file or recrop to preserve quality. If the preview or setting fails, restart your iPhone and then try again. Make sure low power mode isn't interfering with animations. Finally, if problems persist, reset only wallpaper settings and repeat the use as wallpaper steps to ensure a
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.